Hello guys, it's your girl Patience Ekle Ugochukwu and this is Peku Africa video series. Today I'll be showing you how to mine free cryptocurrency. As you all know, I normally advise a lot of people and my clients to buy enough cryptocurrency, especially when the prices are very low and cheap. But right now, I'm doing this video especially for those that don't have the money at the moment to buy any cryptocurrency for themselves. You can actually mine some coins for free and it will turn to thousands of dollars for you in few years from now. So let's get into it. Here, I'm on Remitano app. So the first thing you'll be doing is to go straight to Google Play Store or App Store if you're using an iPhone. This is Google Play Store displaying here. You click on it, then type Remitano. This is Remitano logo here. Buy and sell fast and secure cryptocurrency. You click on it. Okay, this is Remitano app, and as you can see, it's saying uninstall all update. This is because I already have the app on my mobile phone. If you do not have the app currently, what you'll be seeing is install app, and then you go ahead to install it and register. But right now I have the app and I don't have any intention to update the app right now. So I'll just go back to my phone and click on Remitano app. This is it here, a capital R in purple. I click on it and this is where it has brought me. So once you click on open after downloading your app, you'll be seeing login or register. Please, if you do not have any account with Remitano, what you'll be doing is to click on register. It's going to bring you here to log in or register, and then what you will do is to choose the first icon here, sign in with Google. So once you click on sign in with Google, you'll be required to put your email and you follow the procedures to create your account. Very simple. They will send you a verification code. You will go to your email, verify your phone number and every other documentation during the registration. But right now I already have an account here. So what I'll be doing is to log in into the account. So I'll still click on sign in with Google. I just clicked on it. It's loading. So I will just quickly click on the email that I want to sign in with. Is loading. It will also be wise that you log in the email on your phone before you start this process, so you make everything easy for you. So now this is my Remitano account. As you can see, this is mining RENEC, and they are telling me that my balance of RENEC that I have mined so far is 202 RENEC, and we have 720,762 miners as at when this video was recorded. What is it telling you? It's telling you that over 500,000 people are miners who are currently mining RENEC, and before the year runs out, when they will do the launch, they will have over 5 million miners, hopefully. So the quantity you are able to mine right now will determine how much you will get. So just assume that this 202 RENEC coin you are seeing right now, in the next 2 or 3 or 4, 5 years, each of the coin is $500 or $1,000 or even $200 as the case may be. Remember, the coin was gotten for free. Just multiply $100 times these 202 coins. You see that it's a lot of money and you just got it free of charge. All you need to do is to have small data in your phone, and each day, every 24 hours, you go to your phone and you click. So I'm going to take you to the menu. These 3 horizontal lines you are seeing here at the top left hand corner of your phone, I just clicked on it. Okay, you can see this is my name, Patience Ekle here. This is the menu. It's the same menu you'll be seeing. You either call it a menu or your dashboard. You remember you can use your laptop as well to view the account, but you can only use your mobile phone in mining the coin or through the web. Okay, so this is buy and sell. Remitano does a lot of things. Like I said, it's a cryptocurrency exchange. You don't just mine free RENEC. It's you can buy cryptocurrency from Remitano. You can sell as well. You can swap. You see their forums. You can earn RENEC. So once you register, you click on the menu. It will bring you here, and then you click on any of these icons that you want to do anything with it. Okay, if you want to verify your account, you come here, you click on verify account. It will lead you and you follow the procedures. While you are creating your account, ensure you put Nigeria if you're in Nigeria, or put the country where you are. All right, then you can copy your affiliate link as well, and then you follow the process. This particular video is just to show you how to mine RENEC, so I wouldn't want to go into all of this. Okay, so you see a RENEC here. Each time you log into your Remitano account, after creating your account, you come here and click on Earn RENEC. I just clicked on it, and this is where it will bring you. Okay, you might log in if you're registering for the first time and you see 0 point something. Do not panic. All you need to do is to keep mining consistently, and for you to get more RENEC within a short period of time, to double your mining power, you are to verify your account. Okay, and all it will take you is one of your IDs, okay, either international passport or voter's ID card or international ID card. Okay, so you use any of them and you follow the procedures to do your verification. Once you are verified, your mining power will be doubled, and once you copy your affiliate link and people mine through your affiliate link, your coin will be increasing more than usual. So that is what I want you to know. And please, I always tell people that a coach or a teacher doesn't teach you everything. It's not possible. So you need to learn yourself. So once you start mining, it will be wise for you to go through everything in the app to just navigate your way. Okay, we have a detailed step-by-step how to mine your RENEC as well. So all you need to do is to take your time and go through everything that is written here. Okay, you can see the steps in mining your RENEC, and it said download Remitano mobile app, which I have told you. You complete your phone verification, you log in every day to come and mine. This is my mining power. Currently I'm mining at 0.02 RENEC per hour. I'm already mining. As you can see, it's reading. My next mining time will be in 9 hours, 23 minutes and 50 seconds time. So at exactly after this time ends, you will see start mining RENEC. You that is not currently mining, you will see start mining in capital letter on this button. You just click on start mining and you start mining. Okay, here too you can invite your friends and you mine. You see white paper. This white paper here is to tell you everything about the RENEC and all the informations you need to know in details about the coin. All right, so thank you very much. I'll be stopping here and now, and what I need to hear from you is saying thank you, Patience, for helping me, because this coin will be something very wonderful for you in the nearest future. If you do not need it, please, I beg you, just mine it because of the knowledge, and mine it for your kids. Just mine it and do not touch it in the next 3 or 5 years, and come back to this your app. Just keep your details and you see that you have free money. All right, so have a nice day and bye for now. Don't forget to call us on 090-34296519, or check our website www.pecoafrica.com. Reach us to design your beautiful website for you and to buy and sell your cryptocurrencies for you, or to teach you how to trade and make money on cryptocurrency and your beautiful courses on website design if you want to learn how to build websites, if you want to learn affiliate marketing, and every other aspect of digital marketing. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.